Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to add plot style. So if you want to add new plot style, you can type OP, press enter, and will be show for the option dialog box. Go to default directories and then click on plot style file location. So the location plot style will be set into this address, so you can click modify. I will copy this address. You can select all, right click, click copy, and you can open folder. I will paste in here for the search, and you can press enter. Now you can paste your plot style in this location. Like as example, I will add new plot style. Okay, I will search in here for STB. And next, I will use this example plot style. You can copy and move into this folder. Right click, paste. Now you can type plot in the NanoCAD, press enter, and then you can click on plot style table drop-down menu and to be shown for the example CTB file. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to add plot style. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.